Hello, select square size canvas, select pure black color, go to the brushes, calligraphy, script brush, select any higher size and then draw a line, cross diagonal one, and then try to create branches like this. Then select gray color, a dark gray color, and then add few more branches to it. Any random, at random positions with varying sizes. Once you are okay with it, then select a bit lighter gray color and add smaller branches to different places, like this. Once you are okay with all of this, then just stop, and then here I just added few more, right? And click on the selection tool, click on the fit to canvas option, and then layers invert option, and then copy, and then go to the brushes plus icon, click on it, then go to the shape editor, paste it, and then done. And then go to the stroke path, set the spacing like some 48-49%. Then go to the shape, rotation to the max, then go to the Apple Pencil, set the opacity to none, and then properties, increase some brush size and the minimum size as well. Just to check, clear the drawing pad and then try to draw it. Once it looks good enough, then you can just click on done. And here I'm just hiding the previous layer, created new layer, selecting green color. Here it is, that's done. Thank you.